In this video, we will check out how to enable services for NFS on Windows 11. Go to Run and search with the command appwiz.cpl. This command will open Programs and Features. You can click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Here, you can find a lot of optional features available on Windows 11. Locate Services for NFS and expand the tree. Here you can find the administrative tools and client for NFS options. Whichever you want you can choose and click OK. The system will search for the required files and apply the necessary changes. Kindly be patient. Once the process is complete, a restart now is highly recommended. However, I am recording this video, so I'm just clicking on don't restart. And that is it. Services for NFS is now enabled on your Windows 11. You can check it again. You can go to Windows Features again using appwiz.cpl, and here you can find services for NFS is now enabled on your Windows 11.